Okay. We have a really, really crappy microwave that won't cook anything.
My God! Mom!
And Steven's trying to cook a TV dinner. And he's getting really mad.
We need a new freaking microwave! Mom! It's a freaking piece of crap that doesn't cook! Mom! Answer me! Mom! Mom!
Yelling is not going to make it cook any faster. Just leave it alone.
Oh my freaking God! I've had it in here. Look, the box says. The box says 2 freaking minutes. It's been in there for 7. And it's still cold. Mom! I want my freaking turkey breast with freaking gravy, and it's still freaking frozen, Mom! It's still frozen. That's what you get for not buying a new microwave.
Dude! What are you doing?
Shut up! God! You're the freaking boner for that freaking camera! Get out of my face!
What are you doing? Steven! Wow! Steven! So, you better freaking... Oh my God! Dude!
Get out of my freaking face!
Wow!
Shut up!
Wow, Steven!
Yeah, I'm freaking starving!
That was great!